Alright guys, the point of this 123 here, and today I'll be installing the Honda Inspire taillights, Honda Inspire headlights, Honda Accord Euro R floor mats, Honda Inspire steering wheel and door sills, Pioneer 6x9 speakers, the much bigger Group 35 battery, this Android touchscreen head unit into your 7-gen Accord, Alright guys, the point is 123 here, and here we have my new car. As you can see, it is red instead of gold like my old car. This is a 2004 Accord EX. I just picked it up. And what I like better about this one is that it only has 82,000 miles as opposed to my other car, which had 283,000. All the bolts on that car were rusty, and just working on it in general was a total nightmare. But this one is super clean. It's completely stock, apart from the front bumper and grille, which is from a 2007. But anyways, I'm really excited to start making videos of this car. I'll be swapping over everything from my gold Accord. I just have to get it registered and stuff first, but I already swapped the interior LEDs. I'll be putting some other interior stuff on soon, like the door sills and the steering wheel. But anyways, guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing my original car from beginning to, I guess you could say, the end. But it's not really over because I have this one, so I'll continue making videos about Accords. I love these cars, that's why I got another one. So anyways, guys, if you like the video, be sure to leave a like and drop a comment below. And be sure to subscribe just to stay tuned for more in the future.